at children. So it is essentially a children's prepaid bank account that offers an app both for the children but also operates out of the parents' app too. Now, I have kids and they are at the right age to be accessing these sort of cards. And as part of their financial education, I want them to have access to these tools and learn how to use them responsibly from a young age. So I've been looking at these types of cards for a while. So this is available to anyone with a Starling Bank account. So if you are already a Starling user, then this is going to be a great option for you to consider for your children. If you are, however, not a Starling user, then that's okay. You can open an account with them so that you can provide your children with access to this service. So to get access to one of these accounts, you will need to sign up through the parent app. So this is the main Starling banking app. From there, you will be able to make the application for your child's card. In addition to this, there is a dedicated children's app. This helps them to learn about their money and see what money they've got left and how their spending is going. So it's great that they have their own dedicated app in addition to the parents' app. Now, it is worth noting that there is no interest on these accounts. There are no additional options either, such as savings accounts or investment ISAs. They are purely there for day-to-day spending. Your child will get their own card and it is contactless, so they can use it in most shops. As your child's account will be linked to your account, you will be able to transfer money into their account and keep a close eye on what they're spending. You can also get instant spending notifications anytime your child spends some money. So they won't be able to hide those secret sweet runs on the way back from school. You'll also get full access to their spending history, and you can set spending habits either daily, weekly or monthly to help them budget and manage their money. There are also some great security features too. So for example, the parent can lock the child's card from their app. So this is great in those situations where the child has lost their card and you're worried about the funds available in that account. You can just pop into your own app and lock the card so that no one else will be able to use it. You can also control where the card is able to be used. So you can limit things like ATMs or online purchases or real life purchases. You get to choose the options where your child can use their card. So if you're worried about them taking all the money out of an ATM and then going off and spending it on things that you can't check, you can turn that feature off. Parents can also encourage their kids to be more mindful about their spending and saving and can set things like spending goals or earning goals. Plus, there is no overdraft facility on this, so there's no way that your child can spend more than they have in their account. Furthermore, you can have two parents have access to this account if you have a joint Starling account. So that means that both parents can keep an eye, which can be super helpful if one of them's busy and is not available to keep checking up on this all the time. So what's the customer service like? Well, you get the same customer service options as you would if you were a Starling account user. So you can contact them via live chat, phone, email, and they're available 24/7. So this means if you have any problems, there is someone at the end of a line to be able to deal with your concerns there and then. So there is a fee for this account, and it is £2 per month per child. Now, when you compare this to some of their competitors, this is actually fairly reasonably priced. There are some free accounts out there from the likes of Hyperjar, but they don't have things such as the child dedicated app. Aside from that, there are no other fees. So there's no fees for adding money to your account or withdrawing money, applying for a lost card, or even getting the first card. Lots of Starling's competitors in this area actually have charges for many of these things. So it's definitely worth looking at the different options out there before making a decision about this card. So who can get one of these cards? Well, like I said, the parent needs to have a Starling account, and then you can open the child's account from there. There are some age restrictions. So the Starling Kite account is for 6 to 16-year-olds. At 16, the young people can then apply for a teen account, but they're also entitled to get a full Starling account at that age. So naturally, I am not telling you which one to go for. This is not financial advice. There are lots of different options out there. So make sure you have a look around and see which one could work for you. This is something that I'm particularly interested in for my children at the moment, so you're likely to see some further reviews of Starling Kite's competitors. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see those videos in the future. Big thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.